What's up, guys? Today I would like to show you a great service called QuestionsPro, and as I can see, it's quite new service, but it's quite good one. And let me show you why. So here you can create a project. For example, in my case, I have a profile on Quora, and here it is. And I would like to promote my link for course on Udemy. So I have uploaded course on Udemy and I would like to promote it on Quora. So for this, I will, as you know, Quora is quite good source for free targeted traffic. So for example, I would like to promote my Udemy course, and here I have created edit keywords, edit link to my profile on Quora, and QuestionsPro analyzed it and found questions for me on Quora. So it's searching popular questions. You can sort them out. So here you can see now it's sorting. Let's sort it on a on a keyword, based on keyword. So now it's showing questions what consist keyword-based trading courses. So for example, here we can see total views, followers for this question. So for example, if I will answer this question, you can see that this question got a lot of followers, and if my answer will be popular, it will be sent to this amount of followers. So it's quite good idea to find good questions, popular ones related to your keyword, and you do not need to search them on Quora. You can simply go to this service, sort all questions, and open it one by one like this, as you can see, yes, and start answering these questions. So for me it's quite a good service, and it helps to save a lot of your time, and you do not need to analyze this service, do everything for you. So if you are interested, I will put a link to this service on my under this video below, and you can try their trial version, and if you like, you can subscribe to their service. Okay guys, I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to check links what I will put in this video description, and have a good day. Bye.